Alright, so we here at the camera and we are about to uninstall it. So we just have to take out these supporting screws around it. Once that is out, take down the camera, bring the other camera. We just use the base, we prep the other camera in the base and we bring it back and put it up here. So we'll just get to that now. Right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to install one of these cameras. Actually two of them. I'm going to install them onto the system that I recently upgraded from that cheap $100 system to an LTS professional system. So we're just going to add two cameras and we're going to compare the difference in quality of the cameras from what it had before, what you buy in these box sets usually, to what you can get. And this is a 5 megapixel camera, so this should improve the image quality as well as improve the detection rate for the line crossing, which by the way is working very well. It works a little too well. Sometimes birds pass by and it just triggers it, so better it trigger than it does not trigger. So yeah, so let's get to the installation process. First we're going to take down the camera from where it is, and then we're going to prep it back for reinstallation because this is a different form factor altogether. And after that we're going to show the final results. Alright, so thanks again for being here and I hope you enjoy the rest. Alright, so we here at the camera and we are about to uninstall it. So we just have to take out these supporting screws around it. Once that is out, take down the camera, bring the other camera. We just use the base, we prep the other camera in the base and we bring it back and put it up here. So we'll just get to that now. That's it. Alright, and now for the other part. Right, so alright, so we finished with two of the installs. We have one in the backyard, one in the front, and immediately you can see a change in the wideness of the angle, and also the image quality has improved. So I have to go double check the line crossing and all that, make sure it's in the same place because it might have moved with the aspect ratio of the image. So I have to double check that, make sure it's back where it's supposed to be. I'll probably reduce the sensitivity because it goes off a lot, but you know, growing pains. So this is Damian signing off from FixWinPC, and thank you for joining me on this journey.